bus rolling down the road. Crack! A big tree blocks the way. Monster truck comes to help, calls his rescue friends today. Lift the tree, clear the road, lift it up, move it away. Oh no! The road is broken, who can help us make it safe? Beep, beep, the bus can go. Beep, beep, let it roll. Thank you, friend, hooray! You saved the road today. Beep, beep, the bus can go. Pour the cement, fill the ground. Road roller makes it smooth. Patch it up, pack it down. Now the school bus finds its groove. Little cracks, they disappear. Big strong hands make space for play. One more shake, one more cheer. Clear the road and say